Hi there, I'm Nathan Turnbull, an orthopedic surgeon with Florida Orthopaedic Associates. Today I'm going to answer some patient questions about joint replacement surgery. Here's a question from our new Smyrna Beach office. It says, how long will an artificial knee last? Well, the failure rates of a joint replacement show that the failure rate is about a half to 1% per year that you have the knee replacement, that it needs to be redone or revised for some reason. So if you look at it at the end of 10 years, you have about a 90% chance that that same knee implant is still in. There's numerous survival studies actually showing over 95% survival at 10 years. But in general, if you remember, about a 1% chance per year, you have the implant that it needs to come out. So then if you take it on beyond to 20 years, at 20 years you have over an 80% chance that that same knee is still in. So in general, a number to remember is about a 1% chance per year you have the knee.